Welcome to the 2019 AquaGuard Redefine. Dominate. We're here to have some fun. We are here today to make a new friend. We come to the same building every day, but we don't necessarily get to see and interact with each day. Each one of us in this room, we can lead and dominate in our own lives and at our jobs if we understand the purpose behind what it is that we do each day. Our purpose at AquaGuard is to provide peace of mind to our customers, peace of mind to our employees, and peace of mind to the communities that we serve. In order to dominate, it is also necessary to have focus. As part of our AquaGuard Olympics, we had 2 service projects that each team cooperated in prior to coming here today. I mean, when you talk about dominating, being selfless matters. Collectively, Team AquaGuard donated 2,270 items for Must Ministries.
Thank you, AquaGuard family. I'm completely humbled and honored to be with you today. You serve monthly meals at our Fishes and Loaves Kitchen, where we serve 72 men, women, and children every day, 7 days a week, to make sure that they have meals. You know, both AquaGuard and Must Ministries are household names. Those names had to be built through the integrity and the values that you guys live by and that Must lives by. Thank you to AquaGuard and the family for what you do in this community. Together, we all make a difference.
Your success is our success, so we all have all the motivation in the world to pour into each other. We're totally committed to your growth. So let's kick ourselves into overdrive and dominate every facet of our lives. Go Team AquaGuard. Thank you very, very much.